You like the toy, huh? Isn't that cute? You like it, huh? You like it, huh? Aww. Look at you, Cuddle Bun. Oh, Max Jr., you ready to play? Are you wrestling down the toy? You just chew on it. Oh, Max Jr., look at you. You like it too, huh? You finally got teeth now. It's sharp. Come get it, Cuddle Bun. The more I squeak this toy, the more you're starting to play with it, huh? What's wrong, Max Jr.? Tired? Oh, you still like it. Oh, look at you. You like the toy? You like the toy. Cute. Oh, Max Jr. Your teeth sure is sharp. Max Jr. likes to play. And Cuddle Buns. Oh, Cuddle Buns, you're sitting under between my legs. You're cute.